Welcome back to the 401k DC Hub, where we decode the back-end processes of retirement plans and give you real-world applications that can truly elevate your career. If you're a beginner in U.S. retirement services, or working in a BPO or back-office team handling 401k plans, this episode is for you. Today we're diving into the Lean Six Sigma Yellow Belt Toolkit, but not in a generic way. We're going to see exactly how these tools apply in the world of defined contribution plans, where we're dealing with loan processing, contributions, distributions, reconciliations, QDROs, plan testing, and more. Let's begin with one of the most powerful and easy-to-use tools. 1. SIPOC. See the big picture. SIPOC stands for Suppliers Inputs Process Outputs. Customers. It's used before process improvements to understand the high-level workflow. Example in 401k, let's say your team is handling loan disbursement delays. A SIPOC would help you map supplier, participant, plan, sponsor inputs, loan request form, plan rules, eligibility status, process, validate eligibility, calculate loan, approve, disperse, track repayment outputs, dispersed loan repayment schedule, customer participant compliance team. Using SIPOC, you identify where the delays are really happening and who is accountable for each step. This is your first step toward efficiency. 2. Process mapping, your GPS. Think of this as the detailed street map version of SIPOC. You draw each step. For example, loan form submitted, QA, verifier 1, escalation if missing, validation, approval, funds released. Use it in 401k processes like loan and hardship withdrawals, contribution remittance, distribution processing, compliance testing timelines. You can even identify unnecessary loops or non-value-added steps. 3. Flowcharting, visualize it. This is where you make your process visual with decision diamonds and flow arrows. For example, in mandatory cash-outs, flowcharting helps visualize if the balance, $1,000, issue check, if between $1,000, $5,000, auto rollover, if $5,000, defer until participant initiates, use flowcharts to simplify QDRO steps, age 59 and a half withdrawals, or RMD processing too. 4. Pareto chart, the 80/20th rule in action. This chart helps you identify which issues are the biggest contributors to errors or delays. Example, you may find that 80% of rollover delays are caused by just two main reasons: missing signatures and outdated institution info. Fixing those gives you maximum impact with minimal effort. 5. Histogram, make variability visible. Histograms show how often data falls into different ranges. It's like a bar graph but meant to visualize process variation. In 401k, you might use this to check how long it really takes to process a participant's hardship withdrawal. Maybe the average is 3 days, but some take 10. That's a red flag for inconsistency. Histograms can also help reconcile processing times, detect SLA breaches, and see volume trends. 6. Cause and effect diagram, also called fishbone or Ishikawa. This helps identify root causes of a problem. Let's say loan approvals are often getting rejected. Use a fishbone to explore. Methods. Are the steps unclear? Machines, system issue, manpower, training gaps, materials, forms outdated, measurement, wrong eligibility check, environment, plan rules misapplied. By categorizing the possible causes, your team avoids the mistake of solving the symptom and gets to the actual cause. 7. Check sheets, data at a glance. Check sheets are used to track occurrences in a standardized way. In 401k servicing, create a check sheet to track the number of errors in contribution posting, fund reallocation, QDRO documentation, loan verification. Once you see the patterns, you can standardize and train for consistency. 8. Control charts. Monitor in real-time. Control charts are used to track a process over time and see if it stays within acceptable limits. Example. Use it to track average turnaround time for loan processing over 30 days. Any spike outside the control limits means investigation needed. Final thoughts. These yellow belt tools don't require coding or special software. You can use them with Excel, Google Sheets, or even just on paper, but their impact is powerful. For anyone working in 401k back office, BPO, or compliance, these tools help you understand workflows, improve SLA compliance, reduce rework and errors, enhance participant satisfaction, build your career as a process-focused retirement associate. So whether you're a new analyst or an aspiring team lead, start applying these tools, one process at a time. Thanks for tuning into 401k DC Hub. In the next episode, we'll level up and explore green belt level DMAIC methodology applied to real 401k problems. Subscribe to the channel, follow us on Facebook, and keep learning. Until next time, Stay process smart and participant focused.